If you want your seedlings to grow fast and strong, then soil should be full of rich nutrients. Plants need good food to grow, just like us. One of the best things for this is blood meal fertilizer. This is natural and full of nitrogen, which makes plants grow quickly with big green leaves. Just take some blood meal and sprinkle it on the soil around the seedlings. Slowly, it will release nutrients, and the plants will keep getting food for many days. You will see how strong the seedlings become, how fast they grow, and how fresh they look. Not only this, blood meal makes the soil better. When we add it, the soil holds more water, so seedlings do not dry up fast. This is very important because when plants are small, they need regular moisture. Also, since it is natural, it does not harm plants like chemical fertilizers. It gives a slow and steady supply of nutrients, making sure plants grow healthy without any damage. Just sprinkle and forget. The plants will take what they need, and you will get beautiful, strong seedlings in no time. Now, if we want even more fast growth, we can make a super powerful liquid fertilizer. Remember the compost tea we made a few days back? That tea is already full of good nutrients and beneficial microbes. Now we take some compost tea in a container and add 2 tablespoons of blood meal. Mix it properly, let it blend well, and then give this water to our seedlings. This is the real magic potion for plants. This method is even better because liquid nutrients reach directly to the roots. Plants do not have to wait. They drink this power-packed water and start growing fast. The compost tea already has many tiny microbes that help roots grow stronger and protect plants from problems. And when we add blood meal, nitrogen levels increase, giving plants that extra push to grow big and healthy. You will see how the stems become thick, the leaves become bright green, and plants start looking fresh and happy. One more great thing about this method is that it helps protect plants from diseases. The good microbes from compost tea keep the soil healthy, so harmful bacteria and fungi don't attack the seedlings. Many times, small plants die because of weak roots or soil problems, but with this method, roots grow strong and plants stay healthy. Also, nitrogen from the blood meal makes the plant cells stronger, so they can fight problems and grow without any trouble. So, these 2 simple methods can completely change how your seedlings grow. First, sprinkle blood meal on the soil for slow and steady nutrition. Second, mix blood meal with compost tea for instant power. Both methods will help plants grow faster, bigger, and stronger. This is a natural, easy, and budget-friendly way to get healthy plants. If you want to see more such gardening tips, then don't forget to check my channel. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing natural fertilizer ideas that will make your plants grow like never before.